Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Panopto Recorder and signing in with your institution account so recordings map to the right folder. Once signed in, pick the destination folder and give the session a clear name. This prevents lost files and permission issues. Make sure your microphone and camera are connected, then verify input levels in the recorder's device drop-downs so audio isn't clipped. Once done, select video and screen sources. That selection determines whether you capture slides, full screen, or a specific window. Now you configure the recording specifics. Choose your primary source, webcam, screen, or both, so Panopto knows what to record. If you present slides, enable Capture PowerPoint to sync slide advances automatically. Otherwise, pick Application Capture and select the window you'll use. Adjust resolution and frame rate. Choose 720p for a balance of quality and upload speed unless you need higher fidelity. Make sure audio sources are set and monitor the levels briefly. Once configured, press record and begin your presentation. Speak clearly and use pause when you need a silent break rather than stopping. When finished, click stop and allow Panopto to upload and process the session. This creates the viewable video and optional captions. Make sure processing completes before sharing the link or changing permissions. If upload stalls, first check your internet and firewall, then restart Panopto as a fallback. Export the local recording and upload it manually to the correct folder. This step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.